Hi everyone, so today we have Dr. and Professor Shinju Mahajan with us. She is one of the most esteemed professors of our college NIFT, and I also have the privilege of being her student from Leather Design Department. So ma'am, would you mind giving us a small introduction about yourself?
So I'm Dr. Shinju Mahajan. I've been with NIFT for past 27 years, and currently I'm also, apart from teaching, I'm also handling the account for head academic affairs for all 18 campuses at NIFT.
So ma'am, for how long have you been part of this fashion textile industry?
Overall, I would say 29 plus years.
So that's quite a long time for you to be a part of the industry, and I'm sure that the journey wasn't a very easy one, a smooth one. So you must have faced a lot of ups and downs which had shaped in your personality and shaped your career. So would you like to share small insights regarding that?
You are right in saying that ups and downs or all these topsy-turvies are part of our professional journey. The professional journey for everyone is very individualistic. If I tell you about myself, when I joined the industry, I was quite young and graduated from NIFT from a PG program. And when I joined the industry, it was a total different kind of a scenario altogether, which I think that the fashion world continues to be even today the same, because there's a lot of, when a person joins the industry, there are some aspirations apart from just earning money, but in the real world has a lot of action in it. And it's not easy for every individual to keep pace with that kind of action. Political scenarios keep happening in all the offices, so it's again, I would say, a very individual approach how one would take to any kind of a political scenario that would erupt in an organization. But overall, I would just say that it's primarily the maintaining a good work-life balance that keeps you going throughout, apart from all these kinds of topsy-turvies that one faces throughout the journey. Because as you mature, there are different phases of life also that you are seeing. One gets married. As a girl, you have different commitments to the family once you're married, or you have kids. The complete scenario changes for a woman. So all these put together, I would say, still maintaining a work-life balance and still knowing what you really want out of life is very important.
I absolutely agree with you. And is there any one ethical value or belief that you have been following throughout your journey which has kept you going, that nahin, I need to follow this because this is a part of me and I can't go against it?
That I would say would be honesty and integrity. Even when I look back, I think for all the private job or once I joined the institution, what kept me going was primarily my integrity and the honesty by which I approached every project or every assignment that was assigned to me during the journey. Hard work, yes, everyone, I think there is no shortcut to hard work and consistency. I think any individual with these 4 qualities is good to go in the professional world.
Have you come across any part of your life where your ethical value or just in general ethical value was disrupted and you felt okay, they are not giving me respect, or something you felt कि अच्छा ये गलत हो रहा है and I need to raise a voice against it? Something happened like that with you?
Many a times, and as an individual I have raised my voice. It has or it has not been heard, think my I think that my duty always is to stand up for righteousness and to stand up for what I think is correct, and probably that's the reason I'm here as heading all the student affairs for all 18 campuses. So not boasting of anything, but yes, you have to
trust within yourself.
exactly.
And they also
You have to
trust you.
first believe in what you really stand for and speak about it at the right time and at the right forum, so that you are heard in the right light, right? So it is very important that you speak your mind. That is there.
Okay, so for so many years, you've been mentors for a lot of students and you've prepared them for the outside world. One advice you would like to give to all students, that this is something you need to maintain when you're out there, this is the work ethic you should follow, like a guideline.
I tell everyone, and including my own grown-up kids, that life is not fair to all, and we have to make our own lives by standing for with certain values. And to me, those values remain, as I said, hard work and consistency to start with. When the students are beginning their careers, they are skeptical about how to choose and what to choose in their careers, especially when it comes to the monetary aspect as well. I think money will follow once you are hardworking and once you are consistent. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of the right person to be recognizing your talent, and everything will flow in just the way you want.
I hope a lot of people do actually, follow what you are saying, because I have come across a lot of people who say that you should run after money, and a lot of people do follow that, and quite a less amount of people say the opposite. कि जो करना है करो, do give your best and money will follow you. I actually adore you for that. Okay, last question. So since we're interviewing for the organization PRISM, it stands for P for prepare, R for respect, I for implement, S for share, and M for maintain. Which is the most important aspect for you? You think that this is the most essential in the work?
For the work ethics,
Yeah.
I think all of these are equally important,
You have to choose one.
but I would then choose the maintain, because if you have everything in line and you are able to maintain it, I think you are a winner.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.